am feeling all the pain of that reflexology, which is expected based on what I am trying to deal with. But as they like to say, no pain, no gain. But you know, nothing quite dulls my pain like beauty. And take it all in. So this is my lunch spot. And you all know where I am. If you know me any at all, you know where I am. It's been a while. It's been, oh my gosh, it's been almost 4 years since I've been at my favorite spot. That's not good. But alas, or at last, I am back. And if you have not yet guessed it, don't worry. When you see what's coming, you will know that I've made it. I'm home, guys. I am home.